Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Knott with Disability Resolution PA. We're going to be doing question 27 of the top 50 questions a child is likely to run into at a Social Security disability hearing. Number 27, does the child need assistance with bathroom-related functions? My cheek was injured, so I'm just going to try and do these videos as quickly as I can, but the bottom line is, does the child need you to help them go, to the bathroom, use the toilet, be able to use toilet paper, be able to take a shower? This is basically the extension of question 26 of, does the child need help with hygiene-related functions? But this is more so where, when it comes to bathroom activities, do you have to assist them on a daily basis? Do you have to help them by handing them things? Do you have to assist them with the functions of going to the bathroom? This is something that's important, especially for those claimants who have musculoskeletal limitations or IQ limitations where they can't remember what to do and things like that. This is important in that regard. All right. My name is Attorney Walter Knott with Disability Resolution PA. Please remember to like, subscribe, and leave 5-star reviews. I'll catch you a little bit later and we'll go from there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.